Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make number 1. I'm pretty sure sometimes in your life you come across to the project where you need to make your numbers, and we're going to make in this video number 1. Size of our number is approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and for this project we are going to use double knit yarn. You can use any preferred color. Then I'm going to use 3 millimeters crochet hook, or you can pick a bit smaller or bigger, depends on your preferences, and I will need scissors. That's it what I will need. This is very quick and easy number to make, so let's start making it. We are going to start with chain of 14 stitches. Let's do our chain of 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have a chain of our 14 stitches, and now we're going to start crocheting from the second chain. We're gonna skip our 14th chain and moving to chain number 13. And we're going to start with the sequence of single crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We did single crochet in 6 stitches, and our next step will be 4 stitch decrease. It means that we're going to do one big decrease with 4 stitches. So let's get our yarn through 1 stitch, through stitch number 2, through stitch number 3, and through stitch number 4. So we have all our 4 stitches on the hook, and we're going to pull yarn through all of them. So that is our big decrease, and our remaining steps will be 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And that's our number 1 is almost complete. I'm gonna leave long tail for sewing because I'm gonna attach it to my project. Let's cut it off. Oops. Let's pull our yarn through our last stitch like that, and that's it. Our number 1 is complete. That's how it looks. So thank you for watching this short video tutorial on how to make number 1. So I'm gonna post more videos for all numbers, so don't forget to subscribe and follow me on YouTube. Thank you, and see you in my next videos.